Propeller installation. First, determine the direction of the aircraft's head. Motor 1 is on the right side of the aircraft's head, and then clockwise followed by motor 2, motor 3, motor 4. The installation starts with the number 1 motor, and the number 1 motor rotates counterclockwise, corresponding to the installation of CCW blades. The fixing screws of each blade must be tightened. After the installation is complete, check again whether the rotation of the motor and the rotation of the blade are consistent. Number 1 motor CCW, number 2 motor CW, number 3 motor CCW, number 4 motor CW.